In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Perplexity AI by creating an online course, all without any upfront investments. Whether you're familiar with Perplexity AI or new to it, this guide will walk you through the entire process, helping you potentially earn money by leveraging this innovative technology to create a compelling online course. First, you'll want to start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply type in Perplexity into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results related to Perplexity AI. Look for the official Perplexity website in the results and click on it to enter the site. Once you're on the Perplexity website, you'll want to locate and click on the deep search icon, which is generally represented by a magnifying glass or similar symbol. This feature is a powerful tool that will allow you to delve deep into various data points, making it essential for researching your course content thoroughly. Now, it's time to create your prompt. Think of it as laying the groundwork for your course. Your prompt might be something along the lines of a beginner-friendly, premium-style course that guides students through using Perplexity AI. This course could cover topics such as finding trending e-commerce niches, validating demand, researching products and suppliers, analyzing competitors, and converting successful ideas into simple product pages. Make sure your prompt is clear and comprehensive, as this will serve as the backbone of your course. After crafting your prompt and ensuring it encapsulates the essence of your course, go ahead and click on the Submit button. Perplexity AI will process this prompt and provide you with the critical insights and data necessary to develop your course content. Once you have your content and structure ready, you'll need to think about where and how to sell your course. Platforms such as Udemy, Gumroad, and Teachable offer excellent opportunities to market and sell educational content online. These platforms are designed to reach a wide audience, so setting up an account will be your next step. Each platform will have a straightforward registration and course upload process, and they will often provide tools to help promote your online course. Completing these steps will set you well on your path to making money through an educational offering powered by Perplexity AI Insights. With zero initial investment, you'll have used advanced data and research tools to provide value to learners. This not only diversifies your income streams, but also enriches your skill set as you engage with cutting-edge technology. By following these steps and utilizing Perplexity AI, you'll have a competitive edge in the growing online education market. So get started and watch as your efforts turn into tangible results.